How to install Oxygen OS or Android 11 OnePlus 7 Open Beta 1 for Poco F1. Okay, let's start. First of all, power off your device by holding the power button and choosing the option power off. After powering off, we need to turn our device in recovery mode. So press the volume up and power button together until the Poco logo appears. When the Poco logo appears, just release the buttons. Now this is the old TWRP recovery. We need to flash the latest TWRP version 8 by Oxygen OS gang. Now tap on the install and go to the download folder where you have downloaded all the files. I already have downloaded all the required files. You can find the download link in the description of the video. Now select the Poco F1 firmware file. We need to install the firmware first. Now select the Poco F1 firmware and swipe to install it. It will install in a few seconds. It is only 94 MB something. After installation, go back and we need to install the latest TWRP recovery version 8 by OF gang. So after the installation of the recovery, the device will automatically reboot to the recovery. Please note that you cannot install the latest build on the previous recovery. You must have to install the latest recovery. So after installing the recovery, swipe to allow modification. Now select wipe option and swipe to wipe data cache and double-click. It will not wipe your internal storage. Now go back and again in the install option, go to the download folder where you have downloaded all the files. Now select Oxygen OS 11 and swipe to install. It will install and take some time. To avoid any time bomb related issues while installing the zip, you need to set up the time zone. After installing the recovery, you have to set up the time zone of the recovery. Just set the time zone to UTC +5 and the system image is installed in around 26 seconds. Vendor image is also installed. And everything installed. Installation successful. Now reboot the system. Before reboot, wipe cache and double-click. Now reboot. And here we go. Just flash everything in order to avoid any boot loops. It's still stuck on Poco F1. Please wait some time. It's first time it will take some time. I will just skip the video. And here is the startup screen with hello world. English India already chosen as default. I'm just skipping this part, and so here we go. Everything is pretty fine till now, and you can check that the visual overhauling is very pleasant to the eyes. Go to the about phone and you can check that it is based on OnePlus 7. Here one thing is displayed wrong as the Snapdragon 855 processor, but that's okay, no problem. Dark mode you have to choose manually. It's Android 11, security patch December 1, and after clicking you can get the Android 11 as track. So that was all guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share.